Yes, you're seeing it correctly. This is Arizona, down by Apache Junction, and we are getting a big rainstorm. So, of course, we're heading out to the desert. We gotta let the dog, Lucky, travels with Lucky. We gotta let him do his thing. So, we're heading out there. Let's see what happens. Boy, Lucky, you get to go out in the rain today. How about that? Yeah. Are you ready, Lucky?
Here we go.
Okay, this is a rare day. It's raining. We gotta go for our desert walk. Let's go. All right. Okay, this should be interesting. Here we are in Apache Junction doing our morning desert walk, and look at this. It's raining like crazy. They have not had rain here for ages. I mean, they didn't even have monsoons last summer, and now they've got snow up north and everything. So I had to get out because it's pretty incredible. Let me turn this around. Watching the news broadcasts is really humorous for us. Oh, Lucky doesn't even want to go. Okay. I'll be right there. Well, Lucky doesn't even want to go for a walk. I'm not going to make this very long, but because it's such a rare experience, I mean, it's going to be so good for the bloom. I just want you to be able to look around here. There's really actually puddles building up. They're expecting it to rain all day long. And this is really unusual. We've been having 80-degree weather, and by Sunday it'll get back up to 80. But look at this. It's pretty cool, actually. It's cold though. See, look at how the cactus are already responding over there. It's going to be so great for the bloom. This is the time of year that the rain really makes a big impact. Well, I have to cut this short because, believe it or not, I'm freezing cold. I came from Montana where we left 35 below zero weather to enjoy the sun. And now it's in the 50s and I'm freezing cold. But they've closed down schools, and of course the roads are all a problem. But anyway, this is Arizona, and it's like March 7th, 2025. Oh well, I hope you enjoyed this little video of what can happen anywhere. The weather's been weird everywhere. Thanks for watching Travels with Lucky. We gotta go get warm.
Yes, an umbrella.